He meets Jaws, Part 3. Oh crap. Comes Baldy. No, it's over with. Nope. That is definitely not the right sea bear. How'd you know? You know that's not the right one. What we're looking for is a great yellow sea bear. That is not a great yellow sea bear. I need those beaches open. We have a problem with the sea bear or shark, and we caught it. Hey, everybody, beaches are reopen. Oh yeah, the beaches are open. Alright, the beach is reclosed. Okay. Can anybody actually kill the shark or sea bear? We'll kill the shark for you, but it ain't gonna be easy. This shark swallow you whole. $10,000 for us by ourselves. Right, you get the head, the tail, the whole darn thing. I don't have any more better ideas, so you're hired. As thank you so much to take care of the shark. I hope you guys have a good luck. Let's go get 'em, boys and girls. So, you got the scissors and the ruler to kill the saber? Yep. You got the cage to get under the water, to get close to it? Yep. And Freddy, do you know how to drive this thing? Sure, why not? Probably don't. What did you just say? Oh, nothing. Anyways, gotta chum some of this stupid stuff. Hey, you guys. I have an idea. Maybe you guys could come down here and help me chum some of this shit. Ah! What the heck? Minecraft Steve cool? Guys, we're gonna need a bigger boat. What? Wait, I have to see this. Dear God, I think the shark is gonna cut us. What the hell? What? Oh dear God. Oh my God. It's coming. Jesus. It's a 20-footer. I'd get a 55. We need to get the barrels ready in no time. All right. Guys. I'll keep an eye on the sea bear. Make sure it doesn't go away. Yeah, you do that. All right, get the barrels. All right, here's 3 barrels. All right, now get the barrels ready, and we gotta get ready for the scissors. Yeah. So we need to get this dive ready. Freddy! What is it? I'm trying to drive this thing, you stupid wolf. Fine. Anyways, we need to kill the shark. It's gonna go. Oh shit.